Hello, I'm Ohoud Alharbi. In this talk, I'm going to talk about the effect of predictive features of mobile keyboards on text entry speed and errors. Supported by the growth of text-based social media, texting is today a very important way of communication. People communicate through tweets, Facebook posts, and many other channels. Thus, text entry method should support users in transcribing their thoughts in a fast and accurate manner, especially in mobile devices. Recent studies identify the need for more detailed analysis to better understand the effectiveness of predictive features for different users on mobile devices. We formulate the following research question to derive our work in this paper. Are human behaviors around predictive features with a mobile keyboard objectively beneficial, especially when these algorithms fail? Our system for data collection is a web application. The application provides a custom autocorrection method and prediction panel. We had to use a custom prediction algorithm as we otherwise need to access the internal of the word prediction, which current API does not provide. However, we verified that our prediction algorithm matches commercial system reasonably well in terms of prediction performance, layout, and position. Participant task was to copy 30 phrases randomly chosen from our phrase set, answer short demographic question, and English proficiency test. Results. The average speed of participant was 32.96 words per minute. The average error rate across the whole dataset was 1.02%. We also measured the verification time, which is the time spent to review the phrase, to be 1.25 seconds per phrase. The average throughput across the whole dataset was 10 bits per second per phrase. Then we performed a regression analysis and found a strong correlation between throughput and word per minute, but no correlation with error rate, as you can see in the figure. The average time participants spent between the last keystroke and picking a word from the prediction panel was 1 second. Participants used the prediction panel mostly for slightly longer words. We compared phrases with and without a word prediction events through a t-test. We found word prediction slowed down text entry, as you see in the figure. Of all autocorrection, 7% were wrong. For wrong autocorrections, the presented word is typically closer to the original word that the participant typed. We also separated the phrases with and without autocorrections event and conducted t-test. We found that autocorrection did not have effect on text entry speed, as you see in the figure. The average time participants took to correct their errors per phrase, excluding autocorrection or word prediction, was 2.72 seconds, while the average time to edit a wrong autocorrection was 5.50 seconds, and the average time participant took to edit a word previously chosen from the prediction panel was 8.03 seconds. However, this varied a lot in each case. The discussion. One of the main outcomes of our work is that we identify that choosing words from the prediction panel can compromise text entry speed. Also, we found that typing a word is faster than picking the word from the prediction panel, with a difference of, on average, 2 seconds per word. Most users chose the word in the center of the prediction panel. That fact could motivate a new interaction around this word to make it stand out. Our results also identify that about half of the time, functionality to undo autocorrection is beneficial when the autocorrection method failed, since these words become unrecognizable to the autocorrection method, where user typed adjacent key and also made spelling mistakes. We found a strong correlation between the new throughput metric and word per minute, but not with error rate. This metric failed to account for varying error rates. That makes us believe that the throughput metric calculation based on approximation is not yet method independent. A limitation of our study is that the latest mobile devices offer more advanced algorithms relative to what we used in this experiment. However, our international participants were on average using an older version of Android, which do not support the features that are reported in the most recent text entry research. Another potential limitation of our work is that our data collection system is web-based, which might have delayed some system response slightly. Yet, according to our observations, this did not introduce any noticeable effect. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach us. Our emails listed below